Students, 7th English Medium, Chapter 2, Maths, Fractions and Decimals. Now, in the division, in the previous video we learned about the division of a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Also we learned the division of a decimal number by a whole number. Now, we have to learn about the division of a decimal number by another decimal number. So to do that, first of all, we have to try to make that dividend, the divisor, into the whole number. For that we have to multiply either by 10 or 100 according to the decimal place in the divisor. If there are same decimal number, then you can do directly by this method also. Look here, 35.5 divided by 0.5. So here you can see that 35.5 upon divided by 0.5 means 35.5 is 355 by 10 and 0.5 is 5 upon 10. Division is a reciprocal of multiplication. So here by division we have changed to multiplication and write down the reciprocal. 10 cancel and 355 upon 5, and then when we do the normal division, the answer is 71. Same sum you can do by another method also. For that I take an example. Here you can see that in the dividend and in the divisor both also two decimal places. So to convert 0.25, we know that there are two decimal places, so we have to multiply by 100. So you have to multiply in both the numerator and in the denominator by 100. So you can get your answer. So now 7.75 multiplied by 100 will be 775, and 0.25 multiplied by 100 is 25, and then the answer is 31. When we divide 775 by 25, you get the answer 31. So now after this we are going to start our exercise 2.7, question number 1. Find. First question is 0.4 divided by 2. Now by ignoring by dividing as whole number, 4 divided by 2, we know that answer is 2. Therefore 0.4 divided by 2, so we have to put one decimal here, so answer will be 0.2. Second one, it says 0.35 divided by 5. So now we don't need to write down every time, so we can do like that. 35 divided by 5, we know that is 5 sevens are 35, so answer is 7. Therefore 0.35 divided by 5, here there is two decimal places because after point there are two digits. So in answer also there must be two digits after the decimal point. So there is only one digit here, so we have to put another 0 here. So your answer will be 0.07. Take the third one. Third one says 2.48 divided by 4. So now 248 divided by 4 we have to do. You can do that thing in the rough page. 248 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8. So answer is 62. And therefore 248, we have 2.48. So 2.48 divided by 4 is equal to, so there are how many decimal places here? 2. So in answer also there must be two decimal places. So answer will be 0.62. Now the fourth one. In fourth one, it is 65.4 divided by 6. So now 654 divided by 6. 654, 6 ones are 6. Cannot do the division, so 0. 6 nines are. So answer is 109. Now to put the decimal place. So therefore 65.4. So there is only one decimal place after point, and therefore in answer also it will be 10.9. Next one, fifth. In fifth, it is 651 divided 0.2 divided by 4. 651.2 divided by 4. So now we have to do 6512 divided by 4. So now we can do the division. 6, 5, 1, 2 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. 2, 4 2s are 8. And 4 8s are 32. So answer is 1628. Answer is 1628. Now we have to put a decimal point. There is only one place. So in answer also, therefore 651.2 divided by 4 is equal to 162.8. Then the sixth one. In the sixth one, it is 14.49 divided by 7. 14.49 divided by 7. So now 1449 divided by 7. So it will be 7 to the 14, then 0 and 7 7s are 49. Therefore 14.49 divided by 7. So now there are two decimal places. So in the answer also 2.07 is the answer. Then the seventh one. Seventh one is 3.96 divided by 4. So now 396 divided by 4. 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. Therefore 3.96 divided by 4. So there are two decimal places. So answer is 0.99. And the eighth one is 0.80 divided by 5. So now 80 divided by 5. We know that 16 5s are 80. So now there are two decimal places. Therefore 0.80 divided by 5 is equal to. So answer will be 0.16. Question number 2. Find. First one is 4.8 divided by 10. It is very obvious. Divided by 10 means one step on the left side. So answer is 0.48. Second, here you can write down direct answers. 52.5 divide by 10. So 52.5 divided by 10, one this side, so answer is 5.25. Third one, 0.7 divide by 10. So if you move one place this side, it will be, there is no place others, so we have to put 0. So 0.07. Number 4, 33.1 divide by 10. So one place here, so answer will be 3.31. Number 5, 272.23 divide by 10. So here the point will move one place to the left side. So it will be after 7. So 27.223. Then the sixth one. Sixth one is 0.56 divide by 10. So again one place this side, so it will be 0.056. And the seventh one is 3.97 divide by 10. So one place here, so 0.397. Now the question number 3, I am leaving you for homework, because it is same but only divide by 100 there. We will do question number 4 in which there is 1000, so we can do it here. So question number 4 also find. First is 7.9 divide by 1000. So now here we have to be careful. 1000 means we have to move 3 places to the left side. So here there is only 7. So there will be another 2 zeros also. So 0.0079, because 3 decimal places to move. Second, 26.3 divide by 1000. So here there are only, we have to move 3 places. There is 2 places there. So we have to make another one, means 0.0263. Third one is 38.53 divide by 1000. So here also the same situation, 1 0 we have to add, so 0.03853. Fourth one is 128.9 divide by 1000. So here 3 places are 0.1289. And the last fifth one in the fourth question is 0.5 divide by 1000. So there is nothing placed here. So we have to put 3 zeros. So it is equal to 0.0005. Now question number 5, in which we have to do the division, but not like by 10, it is the real division. So you have to be very careful now. 7 divided by 3.5. So here we can write down like that 7 upon 3.5. Now we need to convert that number in the denominator as a whole number. See, if you multiply 3.5 by how much you will get 35? Obviously 10. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So you will get 7 tens are 70 upon 35. Now it is simple. 35 twos are 70. If you have powerful mind. Second one is 36 divided by 0.2. Now you can do by another method also. Like 36 divided by, here if you take out point, then it is written as 2 upon 10. Now division you can convert into multiplication by taking reciprocal. 10 divided by 2. And then you can do the cancellation like 18 twos are 36. So 18 tens are 180. So you can do by this method also, or you can do by that method also. It depends on you which one would you like. Number 3. Number 3 is 3.25 divided by 0.5. 3.25 divided by 0.5. So here we will write down as 3.25 divided by 0.5. Or we can do like other way. That will be better. The 3.25 means 325 upon 100 because there are two decimal places. Divided by 0.5 means 5 upon 10. So is equal to 325 upon 100. Division is converted into multiplication, then reciprocal 10 upon 5. So now we can do the cancellation like 0 zeros are cancelled. Now you can do the division 325 divided by 5. 5, 6 are 30. 2, 5, 5 are 25 is equal to 65 upon 10. Now we know that we divide by 10 means we have to put one decimal. So is equal to 6.5. That is the way we can do this division. Then the other one is fourth one, 30.94 divided by 0.7. That is also we can do like that. 0.94 upon 100 divided by 7 upon 10 is equal to 3094 upon 100 multiplied by 10 upon 7. So now we have to divide. 7 4s are 28. Again 7 4s are 28. 7 2s are 14 upon 10. So is equal to 44.2. So by this way also we can do this sum. Now the few sums are remaining that you can do in the homework. So remaining in the homework. So here we have finished our whole chapter also and today's session also. So write down everything in your notebook, fair book. Maybe it will be followed by some other examples for the practice for homework in the PDF file. So everything write down in the notebook, and any query write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.